It's time for RFN Weather. Here with your national weather outlook is Alan Two Shoes Melani.
Alan Two Shoes Melani.
The one, the only Alan Two Shoes Melani.
Good morning, Alan.
My best part of the morning show, Alan, is when you were waiting to come on because I can see you and no one else can see you on camera yet. And you're so excited. You're already grinning ear to ear. It's so cool. So hats off to Alan. What you got for us today? Across the country.
Well, got a little bit of weather across the country for you.
All right.
Am I echoing really bad on your end?
No, not at all. It's You probably got a speaker on and it's feeding back.
No, our house is absolutely empty, so I'm bouncing off all the walls. Yeah, pretty much. All right, weather warriors, let's buckle up. It's Tuesday, and Mother Nature's mood swings make reality TV look stable. We start things off in the inland Pacific Northwest, where folks are wondering if fog is now just in the job description. Tuesday morning will greet you with patchy fog that's basically nature's way of saying you'll be late if you don't leave early. By midday, it tries to be partly sunny with highs around the mid-40s. Fog may make a cameo again in the evenings because it just can't help itself. Tuesday and Wednesday for Spokane and the rest of the Inland Empire look like a temperate reunion. Highs around the mid-40s, sun peeking through like an awkward guest, and generally nice enough to trick you into thinking spring's RSVP'd early. Slight cloud cover rolls in Thursday with fog still clinging into Tuesday's personality, and by Friday, oh boy, we have our first sniff of precipitation. Now, this isn't the grab your kayak kind of storm yet, but there's a smidge of rain, even a rain shower flirtation for the weekend as snow levels bounce around like your coworker's attendance at a Zoom meeting. Highs barely crack the 40s, and Saturday looks like a confused mixtape of rain and snow chances. Meanwhile, down in Seattle, Tuesday brings some dignity back with sunny skies and highs near 50 to 52 for the first time in what feels like forever. It's the weather version of we clean the kitchen. Wednesday keeps the trend going, mostly sunny and slightly smug, but Thursday through Saturday, clouds and rain throw their annual cocktail party, and everyone's invited. Rain becomes more likely by Friday through Saturday, and yes, your umbrella will be your new emotional support animal. West Coast can expect that atmospheric river talk meteorologists love so much, not because it's cute, but because it means water falling and wind practicing for its role in Lord of the Rings. The Pac Northwest and Western Washington could get rounds of rain and gusty conditions with possible urban and river flooding flagged this week as rivers swell and soils saturate from repeated moisture invasions. The Midwest, you're going to see cooler temps and more of those storms that say maybe rain, maybe snow. We'll call it a combo platter. It's the weather equivalent of ordering everything on the menu. Expect a little bit of everything, slick roads, flurries, the works. The South and Southeast looking at some unsettled patterns, pockets of showers and thunderstorms through the week, Friday into the weekend. The chance for showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two bumps up as warm, moist air sloshes in like someone who drank your soda without asking. The Northeast, a chilly front approaches midweek with transitional showers and flurries. Not much in the way of blockbuster storms, but enough to make commuters say, ugh, under their breath. The Southwest is going to be mainly dry desert vibes this week with mild warmth, perfect if heat stroke isn't on your bingo card. Weekend recap, the Pac Northwest, wet and gray with a chance of slush at higher elevations. Midwest and Northwest, showers and temperature flirting with seasonal storms. South and Southeast, more humidity plus scattered storms. Southwest, dry and smug. Summary, Tuesday starts civilized in the inland Northwest before clouds and occasional showers crash the weekend party. Seattle gets sun early, but who knows how long that'll last. Across the country, the weather menu includes fog, rain, occasional snow, and for some regions, weather that can be best described as moodier than your ex's text messages.
I like that. Dry and smug in the Southwest.
Dry and smug.
So they got a little attitude. Huh. You got any of that space news for me this week? You know how spacey I am.
I do, my friends.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's time for the only forecast where the phrase extreme atmospheric pressure is not a metaphor for your inbox. We're going to head out past Saturn to Uranus, the sideways planet that rolls around the sun like it forgot how chairs work. Tuesday, expect frigid conditions, and by frigid, we mean a casual minus 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds in the upper atmosphere could rip along at over 500 miles an hour, which is great news if you hate your hat and want it in another solar system. Wednesday into Thursday, more of the same. Thick clouds of hydrogen, helium, and methane keep things looking like a giant, slightly judgmental blue-green marble. Methane in the atmosphere absorbs red light, which gives Uranus that lovely aqua color. Basically, the planet said, I only wear cool tones. Friday, long-term forecast models show absolutely zero chance of a beach day. Pressure remains crushing, visibility is terrible, and the wind chill is listed as don't. Scientists have observed massive storms here before, so somewhere on Uranus, weather forecasters are dramatically pointing and swirling cloud systems no one can stand anyway. Weather outlook still tilted on its side at a wild 98-degree angle. Uranus continues experiencing sessions that last over 20 Earth years, seasons that last over 20 Earth years. So if you're watching for spring, pack a snack. A decades-long snack. Surface landings are discouraged due to the minor issue of Uranus not actually having a solid surface. It's mostly ice and gas, which makes real estate development tricky.
Val, where's the wind ripping right now?
Seems to be whipping around Uranus.
That's the only planet where I'm going to wear a thong. Wow. Oh, I'm crying, Alan. Wow. I've never heard that word. I'm glad you pronounced it the original way than the way people are trying to new pronounce it. But I don't think I've heard that word that many times in a row on the radio.
Uranus.
On radio.
Wow. Best one yet. Definitely one to rewatch. Alan Melani, ladies and gentlemen, with national weather. One question. You were talking about atmospheric rivers and the West Coast again. Are we looking at more flooding in Seattle? Just kind of curious.
At this point, I don't think so.
Okay. All right.
I don't think it's going to be a big enough storm to do that.
All right.
So.
All right. Excellent job once again. Alan Melani and National Weather. Thank you, Alan. See you next Tuesday.
All right.
All right.
See you guys. Bye.
All right. That's always a fun one.